My name is Cami Laux, and I'm the co-owner of Selfie WRLD Grand Rapids. The story behind Selfie WRLD is, actually it starts with our friends who live in Iowa, of all places, you know, the entertainment mecca of the world. They have a really good friend that started a Selfie WRLD in Des Moines, and she decided to turn this Selfie WRLD idea into a franchise and to bring happiness, positivity, light, a fun, safe space for people of all ages to hang out. She wanted to create a franchise to bring it all over the US, and they were opening one themselves in Omaha, Nebraska, another entertainment mecca. And they were so excited about the idea, and we decided that Grand Rapids needed something just as exciting, just as fun. Grand Rapids deserves it, especially after 2020, everything that we went through with COVID. We deserve to have something fun, something happy, and so that's why we decided to bring it here.
So welcome to Selfie WRLD. Selfie WRLD is the first location here in Michigan. Right here in Grand Rapids at the Tanger Outlet. So if you're a purchasing customer and you come in, you bring in your phone, we give you a ring light. So these guys right here, you set your phone inside this ring light. We give you a good quality light, that Instagram quality light, and we give you a remote so you can attach that to your phone. You just get your pose, click, get your pose, click. And you just take your ring light from one booth to the next and experience Selfie WRLD.
So what led us to the Selfie WRLD franchise was the fact that this is fun. And it incorporates people of all ages. It's entertainment. What we do separately from Selfie WRLD is important, but this is something that is just a whole nother level. It's got sizzle, it's got excitement, and so for us, being a part of this and bringing this was kind of to fill our cups in an artistic and exciting way. So we chose to bring Selfie WRLD to Grand Rapids because this is our hometown, and we wanted to bring something fun, bright, and vibrant here. We wanted something for our kids, we wanted something for us, and for families like us to be able to have fun and have a safe place to create content and memories.
For families, it's that wholesome experiences, a family-friendly environment. It's a great way to interact with your kids. It's certainly a lot better than going to the movies. I mean, you guys don't talk when you're at the movies. Here, you're laughing, you're joking, you're recalling like what somebody did in this booth or that booth, and just kind of laughing about it. And then you have all these pictures that go along with it.
The experience that people can expect at Selfie WRLD is a place where they are free to express themselves in a multitude of ways. Each booth has its own individuality and has its own personality. So you're able to really allow yourself to kind of take on that personality in each booth and create photos and create social media content or memories with your family and your friends in each booth, and really take time to express yourself. I feel like picking a favorite booth is like picking a favorite child. I don't know if I'm able to do it. I am fond of the one that we're in right now because I am a huge makeup lover. I had to have this quote on the back. When you're sad, put on lipstick and attack. This is a favorite of mine. But I also just love the classic look of our black and white stripe booth. There's something about just the simplicity of it. And if people come in with black and white clothes, they just kind of pick up the simplistic vibe, or they come in wearing something vibrant and they just really pop against it. So between the two, those are kind of my favorites, but don't tell the rest. So the process with coming up with all of the booths, 25 it was a lot, and we still have more ideas, so there will be more to come. But there are 6 booths that you will find at all Selfie Worlds, because they want to make sure that no matter what Selfie World you go into, there's just some things that you can expect, right? So we do have those, but then the rest were just ideas that my husband and I came up with that really stuck out to us, really kind of struck a chord with us. And so for us, it was more, we wanted to evoke different feelings. You know, we have some rooms like Young, Wild, and Free that really kind of make you feel fierce. And we have the black and white stripe room, which is just so classic. And then one of my favorite rooms, actually 2 of my favorite rooms as well, we have a graffiti room, which is done by a local graffiti artist here in Grand Rapids, and then we also have our illusion booth that's also done by a local artist here. So those are really special because we wanted to incorporate local talent in Selfie World as well, and we really look forward to incorporating more artistic talent here with local artists.
We have birthday parties, corporate events for their employees. We can host a lot of different people in a lot of different ways. Instagrammers and TikTokers, they're always looking for a great place to get content. This has been that place for them. We've had a number of viral videos go off, and we're so excited to just watch people use our booths in fun, unique, and creative ways.
Selfie World Grand Rapids is a place for everybody. It doesn't matter your age. We see people come in for date nights. We see groups of young kids come in. We see small children, and we see mature couples coming in with their grandkids, and we see families. So it's really neat to watch the different groups of people come experience the booths, and they all do it in different ways. But it is truly fun for everyone, and it's a really great way for friends to bond, for grandparents and parents to bond with their kids. It's a really awesome date night. I mean, what's more fun than, you know, playing around in a different atmosphere and all of the 25 booths. So it's really a place where anyone is welcome, and we want them to just have fun and enjoy themselves. One thing that my husband and I love so much about owning this business is when we're here, and we love being here, is the smiles, the positivity, the joy, the happiness. And when people leave, they're so excited. And for us, that's just what we want to continue, is bringing a space that allows people to have fun, to experience joy. So you can find Selfie World at Tanger Outlet Mall. We are located down at the end, near H&M. You just pop back there and you'll find us. We're bright. We've got loud music. We're not hard to find. You can also book tickets at selfieworldgrandrapids.com. We recommend doing that. We do get busy, so you reserve your tickets and you've got your spot.